Hi, my name is Laura Pantlio, and I'm the Solution Specialist with My Epiroc. Today we'll be going over how to conduct an inspection in My Epiroc. This applies to version 2.0 of My Epiroc and is subject to change as updates happen over time. There are many ways to conduct an inspection in My Epiroc. One of the first ways is to go to the sidebar and hover over Create Report. Here you can click Conduct an Inspection. You can also conduct an inspection by going to the equipment's profile page. From here, you can click Conduct New Inspection. From both options, you should choose the inspection you would like to conduct. Our inspections have the option to be available in multiple languages. Just select the language you would like to conduct the inspection in. The inspections are currently customized and can have checkboxes or radios. You can go through the inspection, completing each step. If one of the inspection items fails, a red triangle will show up next to the title, as well as a box where you can enter a description and an option for you to add photos. After filling in the necessary information, you can continue your inspection. Once done with that page, you can select Next Step. If you have any metrics to update, this is where you do that. You can enter the new value here. Once done, you can select Next Step. On this page, you can add an optional comment. Once done, hit Submit, and the inspection will be submitted. Once the inspection has been sent, you can click View Inspection Report. Here, you'll be able to see an overview of all failed and passed items. Once you are done reviewing your inspection, you can return to the machine profile by selecting View Machine Profile. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please contact your customer center or dealer.